Hi, Mr. Unkert here, and in this video we're going to look at iframes. What iframes do is they cut out a hole in your website and display in that hole basically another website. So let me show you how it works. So we're going to create an iframe tag, and we have to give it a source of the other website that we want displayed. I'm going to use my algebrasuperstars.com source. So I'm going to type in https://algebrasuperstar.com. I'm also going to give it a height of, let's say 400 pixels and a width of 300 pixels. And I'm going to close that out. All right, I'm going to hit Control S to save it. And let's open up this and see what it looks like. Okay, and you'll see that within this iframes.html page that I created, I have within that, embedded within that, is my algebrasuperstar.com page, which is pretty cool. So if you were building a website and you wanted to highlight some of your other website projects, you could use iframes to embed that part of your website within the other website. If you have questions on how to do this, iframes seem pretty straightforward. But if you do have questions, please leave comments in the comments below. Also, I got a domain name this morning, webdevinstruction.com. I'll be providing more of that throughout the year, along with my algebra and pre-calculus stuff. So please be sure to check that out. And finally, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Have a great day.